Alright, so here I'm going to perform taking off the backhoe portion here. It's not as easy as the guys that don't have the cab. You basically got to be extremely careful when removing the backhoe to you know, not break the glass or anything like that. So I'm going to start running the 3-point and get some work done that way. So yeah, this is probably the most stressful thing and most nerve-wracking thing that I do with this tractor, is removing this backhoe portion. That's how it looks with the backhoe removed. And as you can tell, previous owner made short work of this structural plate here. They weren't paying attention and they bent that pretty good. This is the second time that I've done this, and I'm gonna be doing it for many more times to come. It's just awesome having this backhoe feature to be able to come off like this. Now I'm able to run all my 3-point and do all my groundwork with all the 3-point stuff that I need. There you have it. Backhoe semi off. I just gotta disconnect it and I should be good to go. Man, it looks so weird without the backhoe portion now. I'm gonna go ahead, get my 3-point stuff, and fill her up with diesel as well, because she is getting low. She's less than a quarter tank, and I'm gonna get to plowing. I got all this to plow. So what we have here are just the 3-point arms for the 110 backhoe. These aren't even the right arms for this machine. These were just how they were given to me from the previous owner, and that's that. I mean, you can tell that they're doing some kind of, you know, welding job on here to, looks like, to strengthen it for whatever reason. This is what he gave me, and this is what I'm gonna run with. So that's just how it looks like once the 3-point is all connected. I'm gonna put on my top link, and just to show how meticulous I am, I went ahead and researched through the instruction manual, made little, you know, signs all across the tractor. So if I'm gonna be plowing, I'm gonna be using the top hole for heavy loads. And again, see, I got these little stickers like all over the place. There's one there, there's one up at the dash right there, there's another one over there. I think those are just torque specs for the wheels and pressure for the tires, and just little things like this to help the operator remember. Ready to get my plowing going. Got the 3-point hooked up. Top link is on. Gotta love that a backhoe can do some moldboard plowing too. can see, yesterday I tried to plow, but it was just too wet, and I was just getting stuck in the mud. There was no way I was going to be able to turn the soil over. Shouldn't really be running this style of tire when doing any sort of ag work that I'm doing. I think the next big investment on this machine would just to switch these ones out for R1 agricultural tires. I'm at the mercy of Mother Nature, just not being nice to me and keep kicking me down. But what can I do? We're supposed to get more rain from the forecast, from what it's saying, and it's supposed to dry up for next couple of days. So
okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you